Okay then guys, so in this video I just want to have a talk about atoms, elements, compounds and mixtures, because a lot of people get confused with these terms and they therefore struggle with chemistry. So the first one I'd like to talk about is elements. Okay, so as you probably already know, everything in the universe is made up of atoms. Now, elements are just all the different types of atoms. Okay, so imagine if chemistry was illustrated using Lego bricks. Elements would be the different colour Lego bricks that you have. So elements are types of atom, okay, and they're found on the periodic table. So if it's found on the periodic table, it's an element. Okay, so found on periodic table. Okay, the second one we need to look at is called compounds. Now compounds, okay, are two or more types of element chemically joined together. So two or more types of atom chemically joined. Now the confusion people have here is that the atoms need to be different. So for example, carbon dioxide would be a compound because it's made of carbon, which is an element, and oxygen, which is a different element. Okay, carbon and oxygen are both found on the periodic table, but carbon dioxide is not because it's a compound. Whereas, for example, if we had O2, okay, this would still be an element because it's only made of oxygen atoms. Okay. The third one that you need to understand is a mixture. Okay, now a mixture is two or more different types of atoms, so two or more different types of atom that are not chemically joined. Okay, so a good example of a mixture would be, for example, air, because the air is made of lots of different types of atoms, but they're not necessarily joined together. So two or more different types of atom that are not chemically joined. Okay, so for example, in the air you have oxygen, you have carbon dioxide, you have carbon monoxide, you have nitrogen, okay, you have argon, and all these are in the air but they're not chemically joined, so it's a mixture. So just to recap, everything in the universe is made of atoms. Okay, elements are different types of atom that are found on the periodic table. Compounds are two or more types of atom, so elements, that are chemically joined together. For example, carbon dioxide. It's made of carbon atoms joined chemically to oxygen atoms. Whereas a mixture is two or more different types of atom that are not chemically joined together. Okay? For example, the air. So if we circle this and put air, yeah, you can see that the air contains all these gases, but they're not chemically joined together. Make sure you understand this, otherwise chemistry will be very difficult.